I'm Michael Dominic, and today I'm making chicken cacciatore. I started editing this video and I had to stop to make it again because it looked so delicious. Cacciatore translates into hunter's stew. I guess we Italians aren't great hunters. Chicken? Before you prep, place the ½ ounce of dried mushrooms that we're using in a bowl and pour on 2 cups of boiling water. Let them sit for about 30 minutes. When you drain them, reserve 1 cup of the liquid. Don't forget, you're going to need it. Our ingredients are 1 small onion, minced up, 1 medium-ish carrot, minced up, 3 ribs of celery, minced up, around 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, minced up. I'm seeing a pattern here. 2 tablespoons of fresh minced Italian parsley, 1 heaped teaspoon of minced fresh rosemary, a ½ pound of mushrooms, trimmed and sliced. Finally, a ½ cup of red wine, 1 28-ounce can of tomatoes pulsed, however you like to do that, 1 pound of your favorite long pasta. There is also 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes that I didn't film here. Take the softened mushrooms that you soaked and chop them up a bit. You're going to want to use 6 to 8 chicken thighs, bone in, skin off. Hit them with a generous amount of salt and pepper on both sides. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, place the chicken in a pan and cook for 5 minutes on each side until they are deeply browned. When they are, transfer them to a bowl and discard the fat from the pan. Turn the heat down to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan. Once that oil is hot, add the onion, carrot, and celery, as well as a pinch of salt. Stir the vegetables until they are soft. When they are soft, add the garlic, parsley, rosemary, red pepper flakes, and some salt to taste. Cover and turn the heat down to low and cook, stirring a few times for 5 minutes until the mixture is soft. Then, stir in the fresh and dried mushrooms. Turn the heat back up to medium and cook until the mushrooms are tender. This should take about 5 minutes. Keep stirring. Add the wine and bring to a boil. Cook, stirring for a few minutes until the wine has reduced by about half. Pour in the tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste. Let that sucker simmer for about 10 minutes. Now, add in that delicious mushroom liquid that we saved. It's going to really level up the flavor. Return the chicken to the pan and stir so the chicken is well covered. The chicken is bashful. Cover and simmer over medium heat for 30 minutes. A pinch of salt. Look at that. Now plate with your pasta and serve. Lovely. And now, the final test. Success. If you like this video and would like me to make more, like, subscribe, and comment, and maybe I will. I'm not promising anything though.